Welcome dear students. We are moving to the next video lesson related to the chapter small business, and the topic is problems of small scale industries and what are the government assistance for these type of small scale industries. So remember, the first point is related to the lack of managerial experience. So small business mainly owned by single individual, a person who have maybe having good quality and experience, having without any quality and experience. So that is the problem. Managerial experience is very low in this case of small business enterprises. So the management is, it will not be high performing one, and most probably those who are having education, or sometimes it will be managed by illiterate people also. So remember, lack of managerial experience is one problem. And the next one is inadequate financial support for the small business. Those who are working or owing the small enterprises, they are not able to bring maximum finance for the running of this organization. It is yet another problem faced by the small business in India, inadequate financial support. Then they are lacking proper machinery and equipment. Still, majority of the small business organizations are depending upon the traditional forms of production, machinery and equipments. They are not able to purchase high-speed and computerized machines of modern era. That is one problem faced by small business in India: lack of proper machinery and equipment, and a lack of technical know-how. Majority of the owners of small business, they do not have any technical skill and updation regarding the modern technologies for the improvement of production and products. You know very well, the most modern technologies of production helps for reducing cost of production, and reducing the cost of production leads to earning more profit. But the know-how regarding the technical skill is very low in the case of small entrepreneurs. And the next problem is irregular supply of raw materials. These type of small business owners, they do not have high amount to purchase bulk raw materials, and they are producing product in small quantity. They are forced to purchase small quantities of raw materials, and the price of that type of raw material will be very high. When we are purchasing bulk raw material, they will get raw materials in less price. So that is the problem. They will never get bulk quantity due to the financial problems. So irregular supply of raw material mainly maybe from the producers. And problem of marketing is another problem faced by the small business in India. Marketing problems, especially the small entrepreneurs, they are not aware about the modern trends in marketing, ways of marketing, methods of marketing. They are still following the traditional ways. They are not depending upon the advertising and network oriented distribution system due to lack of awareness and inadequacy of finance. So, problem of marketing their product is another problem faced by the small business in India. So, these are the common problems faced by small business in India, and the government is giving more support for these type of small industries in different ways. So, we have to look at what are the financial or non-financial support given by government organization for small industries in India. So the first point indicates every time the government in their budgets and policies reserve the production of some product exclusively for the small scale units. The government has notified that 675 items can be produced exclusively by the small scale units. So the production of that type of items, products is reserved only for these type of small scale industries. Examples like writing pad, paper bag, rubber bands, paper vials, etc. And also next support reservation and preference in government procurement. Not only providing a reservation for the product, they are collected by, all the materials are specially collected by government and distributed in the government departments. So every time government supports these organization by collecting their product also. And next financial support include, support given by government include infrastructural and institutional support. Normally, the infrastructural facility of small scale industries will be very low. Government provides infrastructural and institutional support through industrial estates by creating industrial estates, district industry centers, small industries service institute, etc. All these type of organization run by government provides technical assistance, testing facility, training programs for the small scale industries in India. So that is another support given by government. And government assists the small scale industries by hiring high value machineries. Machineries having high value will be purchased by the government and given to the small scale industries in lease. So in that way, through higher purchase of machinery, government assists the small scale industries. Government also helps for the marketing of product produced by the small scale industries through SIDO, NSIC, etc. These type of national and state level organizations supporting for the marketing of the product produced by the small scale units. So remember the points. And next, government provides a lot of financial assistance with the support of commercial banks and state level financial institutions. And most probably they are providing subsidies, and the loans are given with less interest rate. Training facilities are also provided by government to enhance the technical skill of the small entrepreneurs in India. A lot of institutes are set up by Government of India at the central and the state level for giving training programs to uplift the technical skills and a lot of awareness for the small entrepreneurs. Government also helps assist by supplying adequate amount of raw material for the small business entrepreneurs, providing raw material whenever they need it at less amount of price to the small scale industries. And also government creates industrial estate to support the small scale business in India. Lot of industrial estates were created in different parts of India, especially for running these type of small scale industries who are not able to create their own small scale industry with building and land. Government will provide a particular place and building for operating their small scale industry. That is the concept of industrial estate. So these are the supports given by government to solve the problems faced by small business units in India. They are also helping in some other ways also. So a lot of institutions are there to support these type of small business units that we will learn in the next video lesson. So dear friends, please go through the concepts related to problems of small business and the government assistance for small business unit by watching this video again and again, and also by subscribing my channel you can view the next part of the chapter small business. Thank you for watching. Thank you.